Hi, I'm Chris Natzke, America's Breakthrough Sensei. I'm an eighth degree black belt, former national Taekwondo champion, and keynote speaker. For years, I've used martial arts as a metaphor to inspire young people to discover their strength, to build confidence, and become leaders, both in and out of school. Today's students are under pressure, academic stress, social expectations, and fear of failure. They're seeking direction, purpose, and the courage to lead. And that's where I come in. Through both my inspiring keynotes and my interactive board breaking experience workshops, I show students how to overcome obstacles, develop a resilient mindset, and step into their best version of themselves. I've spoken to state leadership conferences, assemblies, and youth summits, and the positive responses from students are always the same. Empowering, uplifting, inspiring are just some of the words that they use to describe my programs. So, let's connect for a quick call or Zoom to explore how I can best serve you and your students. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to connecting soon.